What's up guys, it's Tom with Verus Engineering, and today we're going to be installing some caps on your Bronco. Alright, so what you'll get in the kit is just your billet coolant overflow cap. And of course, obviously you get some stickers. But first step is to take note of the coolant overflow cap and the orientation of the Verus Engineering logo. Now, take the cap off. Make sure the cooling system is cold and there is no pressure built up in that cooling system. Get closer here. Next thing you want to do, like I said, Verus logo is in line or in the same orientation as all of this writing and the logo on the brake mat or coolant overflow cap. Line up the splines, stick your cap on there, and you're gonna push the cap in until you hear that positive click that you hopefully just heard. Once you've got that clicked in there, go ahead and reinstall. What you'll receive in the kit is your washer fluid cap in either blue, red, or black. First step, remove OEM washer cap. Second step, put your new washer cap on, and that's it. Next, moving on to your AC caps, service caps. With nice billet boys. All right, here's what you'll receive in the kit. I'm holding two, but you're going to receive your threaded adapter and your billet cap, as well as two of these little O-rings. All right, tools you're gonna need to install this, just one, flathead screwdriver. Step one, remove your OEM AC caps. Just like so. Step two, locate your threaded adapter. It's the T-shaped piece and your billet cap. Next thing you're gonna do, take the two and thread them together. Once you have this bottomed out, take your flathead screwdriver. You'll notice there's a slot in the threaded adapter and just snug it up. These are aluminum and the threaded adapter can deform, so don't tighten it too much. So that's snug. Next, you're gonna grab your O-ring and slide it over the threaded adapter, like that. And then I'm just gonna walk it down this threaded adapter. Just like so. Next, install your caps. Keep in mind you have a larger high side cap and a smaller low side cap. Make sure you have the right cap installed in the right location. All right, moving on to the oil cap. Here's what you'll receive. One set screw, countersunk, and 4mm Allen head. The adapter that will thread into the valve cover, and of course, the oil cap itself. Please focus. All right, tools you're going to need to install your oil cap: a 4mm Allen key or socket or T-handle, and you could use the same flathead as before, or you can use like a seal remover like I have here. We're going to transfer the O-ring off of the OEM cap onto our new billet cap. However, we're going to assemble our new billet cap first. And so to do that, we're going to take the countersunk M6 by 1.0 flathead cap screw, thread it into the middle of the billet cap, just like so. I like to bottom them all the way. Take your adapter. Oops. Thread it onto your cap. You should have something like this. Then you're going to take the OEM cap off. Next, remove the O-ring like I talked about earlier from the OEM cap, transfer it to the new cap. Just like that. Once you have your oil cap assembled, you're going to want to be able to adjust the logo into the correct orientation, or whatever orientation that you prefer. We prefer to have the logo this way, you know, so that it's kind of, I don't know, seems to make sense for us. So what I did off camera is adjusted this, and basically what you want to do is first tighten it onto the car like so, and see where the logo is. Then basically you'll have to adjust from there. And in order to adjust, what you're going to do, take your 4mm Allen, tighten the set screw in the middle, and that will back the pressure off of the adapter as the screw is going this way. And then you can rotate the adapter, or depending on how you want to look at it, you can rotate the cap in any manner that you want. Once you have the desired orientation, you're going to back the screw in the center out, and that will apply pressure on the adapter, keeping this tight as one unit. So I'm going to double check that now, and we're good and tight. So now I'm going to go install it. That's it. All right, guys, that's going to wrap it up for the billet cap install on your Ford Bronco. If you have any questions, comments, or concerns, be sure to email us at sales@verus-engineering.com. And until next time, we'll see you later.